Good morning, my dear sir and my friend. Myself, Purab Garewal. I am Polytechnic student, branch PRPC, 6th sem. My roll number 36. My presentation topic: desalting of crude oil.
Desalting of crude oil. Learning outcomes. First, able to define desalter and desalting. Second, able to define proposed to crude oil desalting. Third, able to define desalting process. Fourth, able to define benefit of desalting. Desalting definition. Desalting, removal of salt from crude. Desalter, the equipment used for the removal of salt, suspended solids and water soluble track, metals, iron oxide and sand. Proposes first the removal these undesirable impurities, especially salt and water, from the crude oil prior to distillation. Second, the reduce composition of neutralizes. Third, to remove metal which may poison reformer catalyst. Fourth, to avoid lengthy and expensive plant shutdowns.
Why need to remove impurities? First, to avoid corrosion due to salt in the crude oil. Corrosion control can be used, but the byproduct from the corrosion control of oil filled equipment consists of particular iron sulfide and oxide. Precipitation of this material can causes plugging of heat exchanger trains, and sand of silt can causes significant damage due to erosion to pump pipeline etc. Second, the calcium naphthenate compound in the crude unit reduce steam. If not removed, can result in the production of lower grade coke and deactivate of catalyst of FCC units. Desalting process. First, crude oil passes through the cold preheat trend and is then pumped to the desalter by crude charge pump. Second, the recycled water from the desalter is injected in the crude oil containing sediment and product salty water. Third, this fluid enters in the static mixture which a crude water disappears maximum the interfacial surface area for optimal contact between both liquids. Fourth, the wastewater shall be injected as near as possible emulsifying device to avoid a first separation with crude oil. Fifth, the static mixture are installed on stream the emulsifying device to improve the contact between the salt in the crude oil and the wastewater injected in the line. 10th, the electrostatic collection is injected by the polarization effect resulting from an internal electric sources. 11. Polar rejection of water droplet pulls then out from oil water emulsion phases. 12th, salt being dissolved in this water droplet is also separated along the way. 13. The product water is discharged to the water treatment system. 14. It can also be used as wash water for mud washing process during operations. 15. A desalting unit can be designated which single state or two stage. Benefits of crude oil desalting. First, increase crude throughput. Second, less plugging, scaling, cooking of heat exchanger and furnace tube. Third, less corrosion in exchanger pipeline etc. Fourth, better corrosion control in CDU overheated. Thanks for attention.